What's going on? Credit Marathon coming at you with a video. How y'all doing? It's amazing how time flies, man. It's been 2 years since I did a video. It's been 2 years and a lot has happened, man. I actually got my CDLs. Well, my CDL a year ago, March the 9th. So coming up on almost 30 days, a little over 30 days, I will have had my commercial driver license for a year. I've been over the road driving, man. This man had a lot going on and just a lot going on, man. And I looked up and I got away from making the credit videos. And but I never stopped working on my credit. I had some ups and downs, but I thought what better way to reintroduce myself back to the space than showing my Credit Karma score. So with that being said, we all know Credit Karma score kind of be off, but I do have my official scores as well, and I can say the higher your Credit Karma score, a lot of times it is very accurate with your real scores. Like if your scores, if your FICO is in the low fives or high fives, Credit Karma may say that you're at 620, 630. But I've noticed when you in the 680s, 670s, 660s, Credit Karma kind of be spot on. But yeah, here's my two scores, man. TransUnion and Equifax. You can see it's been 2 years since I did a video. You can see February 2022, 611. Dropped all the way to 575. 568 at one point. Today we're 665. Equifax go back a year. 588. 574. Been kind of up and down, man. And that's basically getting in trouble maxing out credit cards. That debt ratio. I think I got one late payment in the last year, allegedly. That'll also hurt you, but not gonna make this video too long. Just wanted to reintroduce myself. Credit Marathon back to the space. Light of change. I don't have my hair anymore. Rocking the bald head, so I gotta do a video. New reintroduction video, man. Just a lot done changed, but for anybody that's been coming to the channel or coming across the video, I did want to let everybody know that I'm alive and well, and I hope y'all doing well and continuing on this credit marathon. And I'm back at it full-fledged. We're gonna be doing a lot of different topics and going over a lot of different definitions and a whole lot of stuff I got planned for the channel, man. But I'm back at it. Y'all like, subscribe, thumbs up the video, share it. Let's get the channel back in the algorithm. Like I said, just a quick video on Credit Karma. It is good to use period, but I noticed the higher your score is and your real FICO, the more accurate it is on Credit Karma. But just a quick video, Credit Marathon. Signing out for now. I'll see y'all on the next video.